Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a demo review of this magnetic car phone mount. It is a MagSafe compatible mount by Vicseed. Vicseed makes some of the best iPhone and smartphone accessories you can buy, and this is their car mount that is MagSafe compatible. You see the mount right away. This is the round ring compatible MagSafe compatible car mount. It's got really super strong magnets built into that ring, and then you've got your standard screw mount on the back. So that's there. Let's see what else comes in the box. You've got your grip, and we'll take a closer look at that in a minute. Then you've got some really cool extra bonuses in here. In case you have a case or a phone that isn't MagSafe compatible, they include rings in here. You've got a couple of rings in here, along with the wipes and tools that you need to put these rings on a non-MagSafe compatible case so that it will work with this mount. So even if you have an Android phone or an iPhone and maybe you have a case that's not MagSafe compatible, you can use these rings so that you can use it with that mount, which is really cool. They also include the guide to help you with installing that, and that's what this is. And of course they include instructions in case you need those as well, tell you how to do all that and how the mount works. So that's that. Let's get this mount out of the bag and take a quick look at it. Now I really love this style of mount. You can see it's got this twist. You twist and you see how that back opens. So, and it's got that little groove in it. So you put this over your vents, and I'm going to demo that for you so you can see that in action. You put this over the vents and then you tighten this. And once you tighten it, you're going to see it holds onto that vent. It will not move. And it's got these great, I call them wings right here that kind of hold against. And that way this stays in place. And that's awesome. Then on top of that, you've got this, your mount, and you're just going to unscrew this. And that goes in there. And then you screw that. And of course, this is maneuverable. So once you get this part where you need it to be, then you can move this to the angle that works best for you. Once you get it in the right angle, then you're going to tighten this so that it will stay in place. And now that you've got it tightened, now it's going to stay in the angle that you put it in. So it's great because it allows you to kind of put it where you need to as far as the vent goes, and then maneuver this to the right angle. Now I'm going to take this cover off so that you can see just how nice and slick that is. A really cool design, just a very simple logo, but then that nice sort of white MagSafe mirroring ring on there. And let's use this with my phone, and so just so you can see how strong this is. So once you put that on there, you can see I'm going to shake it. If your car is old and doesn't have good suspension, and you live in Los Angeles like I do, and you're driving on really crappy roads, it doesn't matter. That phone is not going to come off the mount. So you can see really strong magnets so that it will stay on. Now, of course, I'm going to show this to you in my car as well, so you can see that it works in my car, just sticking to the mount, and it's just easy. I mean, I love it. MagSafe is one of the coolest things that Apple has done to the iPhone. It's great to be able to get in your car and just put your car on the mount. You don't have to worry about any clamps or anything, and then when you get out, you just pull it right off. So that's great, and that's why I love the MagSafe compatible mounts. And you can see this is a really great MagSafe compatible mount from Vicseed. It works great. It's going to hold on to your phone. It's not going to, your phone is not going to come off no matter what. Just make sure you have either just using the iPhone or using a good MagSafe case with the iPhone, or you can use the rings that they include in the package in order to make a non-MagSafe case MagSafe compatible. So whichever route you go, once you have those on there and use this mount, you know that it's going to work, you know that it's going to hold your phone, and it's going to work great and keep your phone in place. And then you've got that really awesome mechanism to connect this to your vent so that the mount itself stays firm and stays in place on the mount on the vents as well, and keeps your phone at the angle and the look that you want, and the fact that it's fully adjustable so that you can get it exactly to the angle you want and then tighten it to keep it in place. So Really excellent case. Excellent car phone mount, MagSafe compatible car mount by Vicseed. If you are looking for a great way to mount your phone and use your phone in your car, your MagSafe compatible phone, then this mount from Vicseed is definitely a great way to go. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, and if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.